How to use Cabify review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Cabify is a convenient ride-hailing service, but beginners often make mistakes that cost extra money or lead to delays. Here's how to use Cabify correctly. The first mistake is entering the wrong pickup location. Most people get this wrong by manually typing addresses instead of using the GPS suggestion. The app may calculate distance incorrectly, leading to higher fares or late arrivals. Always double-check the pin on the map. Second mistake, ignoring ride options. You won't believe how many users automatically pick the cheapest ride without considering luggage space, comfort or time. Cabify offers options from economy to executive cars. Reviews show that selecting the right vehicle type enhances comfort and efficiency. Third mistake, not checking estimated fares. The surprising truth is that surge pricing or long-distance trips can significantly increase costs. Reviewing fare estimates before confirming helps avoid surprises. Fourth mistake, skipping promo codes. Cabify frequently offers discounts or first ride credits. Beginners often overlook these savings. Applying promo codes during checkout can reduce your fare by up to 20% or more. Finally, not leaving driver feedback is common. Cabify uses ratings to maintain quality service. Leaving accurate reviews helps improve future experiences and benefits the community. Using Cabify properly means verifying pickup points, choosing the right ride, checking fares, using promos, and leaving feedback. Avoid these beginner mistakes to enjoy smooth, affordable, and stress-free rides every time.